In this video,
We will learn how to piece control in Fortnite.
in Fortnite, piece controls refers to the ability to dictate the environment or the arena you are fighting in. So in order to piece control or environment control efficiently, you need to have a lot of practice with building and you need to know how to build efficiently. So before getting into the tutorial of piece controlling, make sure that your building settings are set to the most efficient settings possible so that you can easily access all the building settings when piece controlling. In order to do that, you need to head to profile section, then head to the gear button. From here, you need to head to the key bindings tab. In here, from the left hand side of your screen, you will find building. In building, you need to see that wall, floor, stairs and roof are set to your most comfortable button preset. After checking it out, you can get into game to start practicing piece controlling. So during piece controlling, the idea should be boxing in your opponent as quickly and as efficiently as possible. In order to do that, you can use any of the building tools that are available to you. After pinning them down, you can use your edit tool to edit any of the necessary. Because in order to peacekeeping, mainly you need to focus on your editing skills as well as your placing skills, like how fast you can place all the buildings in a game. But the more another efficient way to piece controlling will be making triangles. After making triangles, making a roof to box the enemy into it. By doing this, you can easily box an enemy in fastly and take them out. While keeping them boxed in, you can also try to make cover and shoot them through it. So these are the basics that you can use to piece control in Fortnite and enjoy the game at your own pace. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.